toward the end of the session, and I can be in England having a session. Toward the end of the session, this voice will come through. They never interrupt the therapy, but toward the end, it'll come through and say, Dolores, this is the next piece of information you need for your next book. And they'll start giving me a theory that I haven't even heard of before. And I'll say, okay. And then a couple of weeks later, I'll be back in the States doing somebody else. It'll happen again. And they give me more information about the theory they've just given me. So it's like a continuing thing. And some of these people will go home and they'll email me or call me and they'll say, what was that voice at the end of the tape? Because it definitely wasn't them. So I call them they because they have become so powerful in my life. And it's not channeling because this is something much bigger than that.